All right. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Sawyer Robertson here from Faith Like Birds, and today we're going to be starting something brand new. In an effort to document the travels and different projects going on here at Faith Like Birds, I wanted to create a series where you could find behind-the-scenes content, stories from our travels, and get to know us more. Whether it be the large trips that we go on or the local events that we go to, just so then you can be more involved in what's going on here at Faith Like Birds. So early in August, we traveled to Little Rock, Arkansas to minister at the Alive 25 Youth Conference. After leaving early in the morning to meet at Brian's house, we had a full day of travel ahead of us, where we actually ended up running into a close friend of ours on the first flight. Once we reached our destination, we had some downtime before Brian got to speak in front of the boys at the conference and minister to them in front of this crazy view at the top of the camp. It ended up getting pretty dark towards the end of when Brian was speaking, but the boys were still listening intently on everything that he had to say. It ended up going really well, and after a full day of travel and ministry, that was the end of day one. On day two, Brian did the morning session and spoke to all of the kids of the conference, before later in the afternoon the kids got to have free time and swim and play on these giant inflatables that were on water. After which 6 kids were motivated to get baptized by Brian's message earlier in the day. It was a super special moment, and one of these baptisms you can actually see a testimony from on our social media platforms. This young girl spoke about how unclean and dirty she felt before getting baptized. She wanted to have all of that washed away, and after she came up out of the water, she felt as though her old self was left behind in the water. She then went as far as to say that she didn't feel like she needed to shower anymore because of how clean she felt. It was just one powerful testimony that came out of this trip. On large trips like this one, usually a theme or topic forms from the trip, whether it be from something that happened or something that we're into at the time. In the past, different themes we have had on trips were Queso, the streamer, as well as different shows or animes that we're into. On this particular trip, the theme was K-pop. One of Brian's 4 daughters got him into K-pop over the summer, and he's become a fan of the group Stray Kids. So anytime Brian and I were walking through the camp from one location to another, he would have Stray Kids playing on in the background. On the way home, our flight kept getting delayed, so I ended up showing Brian the movie K-pop Demon Hunters at the terminal. I didn't have the sound on yet, I was so locked in because it's a great movie. Michaela ended up taking this video. After getting back from Arkansas, we went to the Jesus Encounter Camp where Brian spoke at one of the night sessions. It was also pirate night, so Brian ended up wearing a Luffy hat and a Luffy shirt. Brian spoke on what does it truly mean to be born again and give your life to the Lord, which ended up leading 22 kids to get baptized that night. Also this month, we brought on a team of interns similar to when I came on as a part of Faith Like Birds. This will be a media team focused on promoting our events and our content through social media. Media is the second leg that we stand on as a ministry, and we are putting more of a focus on it as well as events in this coming year. We've already had plenty of bloopers while making videos, here are just a few. Pretty dark towards the end of when Brian was speaking. I gotta sneeze. On the 10th and the 11th of October! Guys, I got a little wet. Yeah, I think so. The Gen Free Youth Conference.
Rick, I got scared.
I almost had it.
You thought that ball was gonna hit me, huh? You messed up.
I did it too late.
Behind
the scenes interview, how do you think that video went?
Coach, I was really proud of how practice went. We got good cardio in. Obviously needs to work on our accuracy, but I think this is a live and learn type situation.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, we've had so much fun making videos, and I'm super excited for you guys to keep seeing the content that we're putting out. So make sure to follow our socials if you haven't already. Our next large youth conference is coming up soon in October, and we're in full preparation mode. This week, we went up to Ephrata Community Church, where the Gen Free Youth Conference will be held. We shot a couple of promotional videos for the conference, as well as planned out the spaces that we will be using for this event. Chris and I have already begun working on the large games that will be at the conference on Saturday afternoon. It's gonna be awesome. I'm personally super excited to see what God does in the lives of these kids at Gen Free and see the friendships form that will last a lifetime. That's what God has done in my life, and I know that He's gonna do it again. So if you're in 7th through 12th grade, you can register at faithlikebirds.com. This event is going to be super powerful, and I can't wait to see you there. Guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been a busy month at Faith Like Birds, and I'm super excited to keep giving you guys content and different things to look forward to. And make sure to comment below if you like this new format. But don't forget to follow our socials and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for your continued support of this ministry and the move of God in this generation. Peace out for now. Talk to you guys later.